Welcome, Boar and Bad News Battle Fast. Do you want to see their 6 cars crunch? Well, here we go. They will put on a show for you. Oh my goodness, Chris Carter, your car is no more. All Boar said, what you can do, I can do one better. They also are known to do donuts too on the pavement. Cheer on, the louder you get, the bigger show they'll put on for you. Brandon Derrow and Ed Eckert, the drivers of these monster trucks. Boar. Bad News here. If you want to see some more donuts, where Bad News stops, nobody knows. Bad News, travel fast. You see that rail? The ages of his son and daughter are represented on the helmets. Make some noise. They will put on a show for you. Here comes Bad News Battle Fast. Bad News Battle Fast. And he does donuts fast too. Boar's gonna go at it from another angle. Up and down. Chris Carter is no more. Keep it going, French fans. Make some noise, they can hear you. If you love Bad News travels fast.
Best one yet.